In this video, I'm going to show you how you can include your apps on TunnelBear VPN app protection list. So if you had excluded some apps from TunnelBear VPN app and you wish to include them again, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open your TunnelBear VPN app on your smartphone and then head over to the settings gear. If you tap on this, you should see down below we have this option called Split Bear. Go ahead and tap on it and go under apps. If you tap on this, here you'll see a list of all the apps that you had excluded from TunnelBear VPN protection. To include them again, go ahead and uncheck all of them. So I'll uncheck these 3 that I had included and then finally tap on settings here. And now I'm told TunnelBear will need to reconnect to save your changes. So I'll go ahead and tap on save to capture my changes. You may want also just to disable Split Bear so that every traffic goes through this TunnelBear VPN app. So that's how you can include all apps on TunnelBear VPN. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.